Angela and Ava here with Splitter Splat Pre-K Co-op, and today we're going to tell you or show you how to make a dinner spinner. So this is actually the first video of 2 videos that we're going to make. The first one is how to actually make the dinner spinner, and then the second video will be how to play the dinner spinner game.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's a really fun game.
Yeah, it's a fun game. And you play it during dinner, and it helps everybody talk about their day and have some really great conversations. So this one is about making the dinner spinner. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to print out your dinner spinner, or you can just draw 2 circles, right? You don't have to use the printout.
Yeah.
Okay? In one of the circles, these pieces of pie are going to be what, Ava? What do we put here?
Are gonna be the members of your family.
The members of your family. And then who's this right here? What is this?
It's a guest. So if you have a friend that's there or somebody that's not a member of your family.
Yeah, so they get to play as well. Okay.
Yep.
So let's show them what we've done so far. This is the one that you've made. This is actually our second dinner spinner that you've made. And so as these get notice this is well worn. We've got dinner all over it, right? You can clearly see here.
Yeah,
so as soon as it gets too messy or breaks or tears, you just make a new one. It's super easy. So here we see, who are these people? Who's that?
That's me,
Ava,
Andrew, Mommy, Dad.
There you go. Okay, and on this side, we're going to talk more about this in the second video, right, on how to play. On this side, though, there's best, worst, most fabulous, challenge, and compliment. And so you see here, she's just drawn some pictures to help her remember which piece of pie means what. Yeah, because Ava, when she made this, she couldn't read, right? So this helped her remember what each of these spins were. So once you print it out and you decorate it, then you're going to glue it to the back of something hard. So what did we use? What did you use here?
Yeah. Or something else like that.
Cardstock. We've actually used a scrap piece of corrugated plastic here. But yeah, cardboard box or just something really thick, right? And so we've hot glued it on here. And then we've made 2 simple spinners. So how do you make the simple spinners real quick? We also have a video on that. But what do you need for that? Just tell them what they need.
Well, you need a brad and an unfolded clip.
And then what do? You just kind of...
Then you just get this, put it in there, and you just poke it through.
And poke it through. And if it's a little too tight, you can always pull it up a little bit, the head of the brad up a little bit, so that it's nice and spinny, right? Super duper easy. Okay?
Yep.
So that is how to make a dinner spinner. Yay!